Hello graduates, guests and platform party. My name is Shruti Apathuvarambil Babu and it is my honor and privilege to be here today to represent class of 2021 and share my Staffordshire Journey University with you all. As an international student, I came to the UK last year to pursue my second master's in digital marketing. My journey started 8,000 miles away from Stoke-on-Trent in a small town of South India, where I completed my first honors in computer science and my master's in business administration. Later on, I moved to UAE to start working my career in Middle East corporate sector for almost 9 years. I was always fascinated by the ideas and innovations contributed by young professionals for the betterment of corporate industry. In 2020, when COVID-19 pandemic hit our life, it was an unpleasant moment for corporate industry, where so many lost their jobs and so many started working from home. Well, in my case, I decided to take this time to pursue my master's to enhance my career opportunities. It wasn't an easy decision at all to relocate to a new country, to leave my home behind. If it was not for the international support team of Staffordshire University, I couldn't have enrolled with staffs. Their consistent response to my emails and their assistance in communicating with Home Office UK and British Embassy Abu Dhabi helped me a lot. Thanks to our international team for all their support to achieve my dream today. Graduating during COVID-19 pandemic wasn't easy either. Not knowing my classmates or meeting them in person made me feel disconnected initially. However, the continued support from my lecturers, friends, and family, especially my husband, who is actually sitting with us today, helped me a lot to overcome these barriers and excel in my academia. A big thanks to my mentor, Dr. John Fairburn, and my course leader, Professor Paul Dobson, for all their academic and mental support you have given me, which has helped me to complete my assignments on time. Last but not least, all my colleagues who helped me out and supported me through my journey with Staffordshire University. Standing in front of you today as a graduate with a distinction in digital marketing and in full-time employment as a digital marketing manager with Key Safety Group is a memorable day of my life today. Class 2021, I'm extremely proud of each one of you. I recognize that last year has been so tough for so many of us in so many different ways. But under the most enormous pressure, we adapted, we remained focused, and we delivered. We have shown resilience and demonstrated our true grit. And now, in this very moment of immense significance, we are ready to step up and make a difference. I think I speak on behalf of every graduate in this room when I say a massive thank you to our amazing lecturing staffs. You encourage us to be curious and daring in our pursuit of success, and our ambition has been fulfilled by your inspirational approach through education and research. Every graduate in this hall has been affected by your passion, patience, and guidance. You are a big part why we are proud to call ourselves staffs, and we will carry this with our lifetime, and your legacy will impact so many lives. So graduates, please join me in showing our gratitude for our amazing lecturing staffs. Let's make as much as noise we can to show our appreciation. Thank you all.